Hello, my name is Corey Katz, and I'm a senior and third year SOAB member, and today I will be guiding you through information presented on the SOAB website. We will be looking at special allocation, semester funding, Coke product, and budget modification requests. So, let's get started. The first thing any organization has to do is complete the SOAB funding information form linked on our website. This is to verify your organization is eligible for funding. Next, you'll go to the organization's OrgSync page, click on the Treasury link, and then click Create a New Budget in the top right-hand corner. Make sure to include any supporting documentation that will be helpful to SOAB in making an informed decision. Make sure to be as detailed as possible when you submit your budget. Funding given on the semester basis is called semester funding, and this is available on the OCA website under SOAB, where we have a step-by-step checklist. Special allocations are given to an organization that has an immediate expense request that is not accounted for during the SOAB semester funding process. When you go to the special allocation form on OrgSync, there will be a list of dates specifying application deadlines to receive your funding in time for your event. When you need water or Coke products at your event, you can request that from SOAB too. When you fill out this request, you can request up to $500 of Coke products for each semester for each organization. The budget modification form allows the organization to modify the usage of previously allocated funds. As always, if you have any questions, come to campus activities and make an appointment with one of our financial consultants.